back to the channel, or welcome if you are new. And do you guys see where I'm at? Holy cannoli, home sweet home. I am back in my office, you guys. I am so excited. But today I am here to share with you my Erin Condren haul, the long-awaited one. There's a bird in my bird feeder right now, and it's so stinking cute. Let me show you real quick. I'll take you out. It's actually, dang it, I scared it away. Well, I have a bird feeder right there, so I can watch them when they come up. But I just scared the little thing away, and now I feel bad. But anyways, let's get into it. I am going to share my long-awaited Erin Condren haul, the one that I waited an entire month and 7 days for it to ship. So, first things first, I'll show you this because it's already unboxed, and you guys have already seen this. This is my new, I have to get reused to how I situate my camera because I feel like it's not even, and I kind of don't love that. There we go. Okay. So this you have already seen if you've watched my plan with me videos, but this is my 18-month Erin Condren Vertical Life Planner, the lined one. How do I already have food on it? Really? My office was in my kitchen while my husband was gone, so I guess that makes sense. But anyways, this is the cover that I customized because these bright blues really were just, oh, so beautiful. But I customized it to say PLAN, so plan, instead of putting, like, making it year specific, because I like using my planners whenever I want to. But again, it is the vertical planner, and I think I'm going to wait to set up like all these yearly pages and stuff until the new year, because what I was going to do is after December, I was going to take these 6 months out and just coil them on another like coil. I have the small coils, and just keep that 6 months together and finish out like a full year, January through December in here, possibly. But then also, since my son is now doing homeschool, we're on like a school calendar year, like starting in July. So I don't really know, but that's what I was considering. So I was considering saving all of these pages to set up in January, but now I'm not so sure. I don't know what I'm going to do. But what we have done so far is I have my July prayer of the month, and then we set up my monthly calendar together using the Hand Can Plan sticker kits, and it's just absolutely beautiful. I love it so much. And then the dashboard, here's kind of a sneak, if you haven't watched the plan with me, how I plan on using my dashboard. I haven't quite worked out how I want the work section to look yet, but it is going to be for like my content ideas. I do want to back plan on this, but it's blank, so I can easily show you what the lined vertical looks like. I'm sure you've seen it because like I said, I got my stuff very late. So I'm late in the game, showcasing my planners. But it is the lined vertical, and it is very nice. I really love it. I'll show you on the next spread with stickers. It's very easy to make your stickers straight. And then it has habit trackers down here if you're into that, a checklist over here, and then blank line space over on that side. And here is what it would look like as you get your stickers on and everything. And as you can see, the lines make it very easy to make everything straight. I do need to backfill these. And then today is the 9th when I'm filming right now. And I am absolutely obsessed. I love it. I love this planner, and Planner Kate stickers make it so much better if that's possible. So I absolutely love my lined vertical, and I'm very excited to finally have her here so we can dive in. But now I need to open this ginormous box. I'm going to show it to you upside down just so you can see how big it is, but I didn't cover my address. She's a big one because I got a lot of stuff in here. But let me go ahead and take a few things out at a time. Listen, I don't know how to do an aesthetic unboxing video, and I got too much stuff, so I'm just going to have to grab and show. Okay, we're going to have to do the grab and show. So first order of business is the accessories. So I didn't order these, so I guess these were a freebie. Little notepads, but they will go to good use, so that's nice. Oh yeah, they included a free set of sticky notes in your order because the smallest things can have the biggest impact. Cute. So yeah, I will use the sticky notes. But then I ordered this, and this is a My Projects little notepad. And I got this with the intentions of going in depth on my content ideas, like videos for YouTube, as well as Etsy products, because I do have so many more Etsy products that I would like to create, and ideas for more, devotionals and faith-based challenges, faith and fitness-based challenges. I just haven't got around to creating them all. I have them all in my notes. So I thought that this would be fun to like break everything down, and then give me a second to take all the plastic off of all this. Okay, so I got the free black dual tip pen, which is interesting. I've never gotten one of these before. So, and I ordered like 3 life planners last year, and I did not get one of these. So apparently you're supposed to get one, but this is the first time I've ever gotten one. So that's fun. And I got a cute little postcards. Oh, I don't send postcards, but that's cute. So we got those, and then we have this. So I got the royal blue. I don't think that's what they call it, but it's royal blue to me. And I thought that it would look so good with my blue life. Oh my gosh, it does. Chef's kiss. That is stunning. Can you tell what one of my favorite colors is? So I got this to go in here. So let me try to maneuver this in here real quick. I'm real graceful on my videos, as you guys already know. It's good. It's good. Oh, that's not in all the way. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Hold, please. Okay, I think that's far enough. Maybe, nope, it's not. Still not. Still not in all the way. Oh my goodness. This is a struggle and a half. Surely that's in all the way. Yes, perfect. Okay. So I got this to go for my life planner, because I just thought, look how beautiful that is, matchy matchy, and it's gorgeous. And then obviously I felt like I needed the little planny pack for I didn't need it, but I wanted it. And this color is stunning. So I got this little planny pack so I can put my markers and stuff in. And since I finally got my free Erin Condren marker, I'll go ahead and that'll be the first one in there. I do have more markers of these in the other colorways headed this way. Definitely more than this, so I'm not sure. I'll probably jam pack this thing full, and then I can put some stickers over here. I can put my sticky notes and just have a little planny pack to go with my planner that matches everything. And then there was this cover as well, and you guys, it's beautiful. I'm not a pink person, but this was so beautiful because the royal blue is so beautiful in this colorway. It's gorgeous. But what I did is I was going to use this for my homeschool planner. And so I have Mrs. Preston, which is my name. And then I have X and EZ. So Xander and Ezreal. Because if I'm going to use this as a homeschool cover, it's perfect. It has my kids and it has my name. So very excited about that. I'll have to see if it fits my plum paper planner, actually, because that's what I have my homeschool planner in. Okay, I'm grabbing the last little item here. And well, it's not little, it's big. So this is my 2027 planners. So I went ahead and went for it. It looks like I got another marker in here. Ooh, that's fun. So I got 2 markers. I don't know if they did this because I waited so long for my stuff, and so they gave me an extra set of everything. I don't know, but that's nice. I got a second marker. Woohoo! They're making up for the times that I didn't get mine. So anyways, oh, that's upside down. Anyways, where are we? That's upside down too. Okay. I went ahead and got my 2027 planners because I've always wanted a daily planner, but the daily duo for the weekly overview, I never liked the way that that looked. And so I never wanted to give it a go. So I never bought one. But since they changed the weekly overview layout to the dashboard layout, I love the dashboard layout. Love, love, love. I used it for a couple months. I love it. So I was like, okay, let me just go ahead and get my 2027 planners. And so I did. I got the Daily Duo pair starting in 2027. So my first one, I got the Legacy cover. I see a lot of people that get the daily duos, they get the same covers. I don't like to do that because I don't know. I just don't want two of the same planner. That doesn't make that's like the same planner cover. That doesn't make sense to me. It seems a bit like to me it seems wasteful because then you have it two of the same. You don't. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Hopefully, so I got the legacy cover on the first set because I wanted the foiling on it, and then for the inside I got the toily. I call it toily, but people on YouTube call it toile. So maybe I just don't know how to say it. It's Toile, and to me that looks like toily, but apparently it's toile. I've never heard that word before in my life. So excuse me, but I think it's toily, but everyone else says toile, so I'm going to say toile. So I got the toile in insides so that I could get the toile cover, so I didn't have to get two legacy covers because I didn't want two of the same. And I did also customize this to say Faithfully Planned, which is my channel, it's my brand, it's my Etsy, everything. So I'm very excited to get into this one as well. Obviously, it starts in 2027, so it's kind of just going to be living its best life on my shelf until then. I will probably actually put it back in the plastic so it doesn't collect dust and everything. But I was so excited for this spread because this is going to be a whole planner in itself. So I was planning on using the dashboard for my YouTube content here, and then I'll have my daily planner for all of the other things. And so I am very excited about that. So here's the first 6 months, and then again the second 6 months with the toile cover, insides, whatever. It's cold. So I'm going to put that back in the plastic. But that is actually everything that I got for this haul from Erin Condren. I have since made another Erin Condren haul. So I got the toile dual tip markers and the legacy dual tip markers because I'm really trying to use their colorway, as you would have seen in my weekly life planner, how I had the hand can plan colors. Those are the legacy colors, and so I want to use the same colors. And then in here, since I got toile, I'll use the toile colorway. And then I did buy an A5 dashboard planner, and that will be my 2027 health and wellness planner. And that's what I used the dashboard planner for last year, but I had it in the 7x9 and it was just too big. I loved the layout. The layout was outstanding and it worked very well, but I didn't need that big of a planner. So I'm going to try the A5 and see how that works. So when that comes in, if you guys would like to see another little haul, it'll be a mini haul because it's much less than this order was with 3 planners in there. But yes, that is what I got from Erin Condren. I am so, so happy and excited. I can't wait till 2027. But at least I will have my A5 dashboard because I got that as an 18-month planner. So I'll be able to start using it now, get into the groove of how I want to do it. And then I have my Vertical Life Planner that also started in July. So I'm still able to use some of my stuff, but my daily duos will be waiting for me until 2027. So I'm so excited. But wow, do I talk a lot. That is my Erin Condren haul. I hope that you enjoyed this video, this little chat about planners and stationery and all the beautiful things. I love you so much. Jesus loves you so much more. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. Consider subscribing if you're not already. And I will see you in I will see you in the next video. I'm so happy to be back in my office. Okay, bye.